Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to set up Shopify refunds and returns on our online store. Let's get started. In the Shopify online store, one of the most important elements is having a refund and returns policy. Once the customers buy a product, they may need to return it, and we need to refund their cost. In order to do that, having a return policy is very crucial. Anyways, let's proceed directly with how to set up Shopify refunds and returns. Open your Shopify page and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Policies. Here is a store policy. In the return policy section, return rules are turned off. To turn this on, click on the Turn On button. Scroll down and in the return and refund policy section, you can write your policy or you can also create it from the template. I prefer using the template, then customize it as you like. Here are some points mentioned in the default template. And as you can see, the return rules are turned on. Click on Manage and change the default return rules as you like. To arrange self-return for customers, click on Customer Account. As you can see, the self-return option is off. We need to turn this on to allow customers to request and manage returns on their own from their account. Click on Turn On. Then click on Add a Login Link to add a link for a new customer account to the header of your online store and at the checkout. So now customers can return the products by using their account. Once the customer returned the product, we need to refund the customers. always, to proceed with the refunding process, customers must first return the product. Then we will proceed with the refunding process. To start refunding, we need to follow the following steps. Let's go to the home page and see how to handle Shopify refunds and returns. Click on Orders. Here is a list of orders. Let's pick this unfulfilled order and click on Refund button. Then fill the item number that you are going to refund and fill in the refund shippings. Here is the refund total. Tick this to notify the customers. Type a reason for refunding. And finally, click on Refund button. As you can see, it is refunded successfully. This is the process of how to deal with refunds and returns on Shopify store. Thank you for watching.